Hello everyone, or hello guys, hello girls. I don't know what to say to be right, but just for now, let's go and see how we can learn K-neighbors without trying to watch a video or using any site. You just ask Gemini and it gives you an explanation. And it's very easy and it's not any time to you to learn it. It's machine learning algorithm. We know that classification tasks. It belongs to the family of lazy learning algorithms. Means it doesn't build the model during training, but rather use the entire training dataset for make predictions. This is important. Being lazy. Why? Because for now we have 35 data. Sometimes we have data that weighs more over 5 gigabyte, 500 gigabyte. In them we need an amazing servers to run this classifier. Because of that we do something amazingly to make it smaller in the using of data. Okay, training. The algorithm stores all the training data points, prediction, K parameters. It say the parameters that we can change. N neighbors, the number of neighbors to consider when making prediction. Weights, specific how to weight the influence of the neighbors. Algorithm, the algorithm used. KD3 broad and current. We don't have work for them. Advantage of the K neighbor, disadvantage. Okay, let's see read the advantage. Simple to understand and implement. You see, if we don't know the theory, we can implement it. No explicit training phase. Can be effective for non-linear classification problems. Okay, disadvantage. Can be computationally expensive for large data sets, as I said. Sensitive to the change of K and distance metric. Can be prone to overfitting if K is too small. Image classification, text classification, recommended system. Okay, let's see, and I give you some pictures. If it have, tell you on the pictures, that's for your learning. These are the good pictures. You can see what does it doing. Okay, let's go here. Let me just cancel it. For example, we have these purple and yellow are the train data that we have, and the K is saying the radius of the circle of data that is going to learn from them. In K3, this star is going to be purple because 2 purple and 1 yellow. But in the K6, this data is going to be yellow because 4 yellow and 2 purple. This model is working like this very easily. What is good for example, think of it like some of you know CAPTCHA. I think we write it here. CAPTCHA. You can use a KNN model for learning how to do CAPTCHA. But what is the problem? The problem is for this thing to predict, you need a big database and big system, or I say a strong system. What is the difference between this model and another models? In the K-neighbors, the model every time is going to predict your data. It needs all the trained data to have. But when you use linear regressions or some neural network, it uses a matrix that it provided, not using all the data. We know about a theory little, that's enough. Have a good day.